Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use two Snapchat accounts on Android. So let's start. But before moving forward you have to remember that you cannot use multiple Snapchat accounts on the original Snapchat app. So let me show you how you can do that. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Parallel Space app. You can use multiple accounts on Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat and many more with this app. And it is also free, so download it and open it right now. When you open this app for the first time, you have to allow some permissions. Then you will see the screen. Now tap on Snapchat to launch Snapchat. Now from here you can log into your second account. You can also tap on sign up to create a new account. And that's how you can use two Snapchat accounts on Android. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.